Hello everyone, good evening. Good evening Abhinav, good evening Bhavya, good evening to all of you. Good evening everyone. And once again, welcome back to the YouTube channel of Knowell Bell. I am Akshata and यहाँ पे हम prepare करते हैं for your upcoming Sainik School as well as राष्ट्रीय Military School entrance exams. So आज का जो session है everyone, this is the session of maths. Maths के बारे में हम यहाँ पे discuss करने वाले हैं, that too a very very important chapter. आप नवोदय के लिए टारगेटेड हो, आप आरएमएस के लिए टारगेटेड हो, आप सैनिक के लिए टारगेटेड हो, किसी भी एग्जाम के लिए आप टारगेटेड हो, fractions is going to be one of the most important chapters, one of the most important topics for you. Okay, so good evening Namita, good evening Harshita, good evening to all of you. तो quickly हम start करते हैं. This is going to be like a very basic session for fractions. आपको अगर कुछ भी नहीं पता है फ्रैक्शंस के बारे में तो भी आपको यहाँ से फ्रैक्शंस में काफी सारी चीजें क्लियर होंगी. And then we are also going to start ahead with the questions. Good evening Kanishka, good evening to all of you. So everyone join the session quickly and हम बिल्कुल यहाँ पे start करने जा रहे हैं. I am good Kanishka, how are you? Okay, so चलिए everyone, we are starting ahead with the fractions. Okay, so a few minutes हम थोड़ा basic देखते हैं. What is the meaning of fraction? How do we represent a fraction? Fraction के terms क्या होते हैं? And all those things. Okay. Good evening, Mishita. So let us get started, everyone over here. When I say the term fraction, जब हम कह रहे हैं fraction, what comes to your mind? Simply, just सोचिए. When I say fraction, what comes to your mind? There are very high chances कि आप कुछ ऐसे numbers के बारे में सोचते होंगे, जैसे 1/2, 4/7, 1/3, a number like this. So what are they? You are thinking correctly. They are fractions. 1/2 भी एक fraction है, 4/7 भी एक fraction है, 1/7 भी एक fraction है. So when we say fractions, तो fraction जब हम कहते हैं, so these are some of the terms that come into our mind. Now in all of them अगर हम देखेंगे, so there is one thing very common. All of them, they contain two digits. One present here, one above, one lower, one above, one lower. This is very common in all of them. और क्या इन सब में common है? They have a line. Okay, they have a line in between. Okay, fraction means out of 100. In a way you can say, but that will not be the correct definition, Namita. Okay, for 100, जब हम किसी चीज को 100 के terms में express करते हैं, then it is percentage. So if I have to define fraction, मैं क्या कहूँगी यहाँ पे? If I have to define what is the meaning of a fraction, अगर मुझे बताना है fraction, what is the meaning of fraction? So I can simply say that fraction is a part of a whole. What is fraction? I can say fraction is a part of a whole. Okay, fraction क्या है? Fraction is a part of a whole. Now what is the meaning of this? जब हम कह रहे हैं fraction is a part of a whole, so let us understand this. Okay, a very common picture जो आप सभी ने काफी times fraction के question में solve किया होगा. We have a circle, we divided the circle into equal halves. So how many parts are there in the circle? चलिए, how many sections the circle is divided in? Quickly let me know. How many circles are there? Part of a whole. Correct, Harshita. Fraction is what? Fraction is a part of a whole. How many parts are there in this circle? इस circle को हमने कितने parts में divide किया? Total how many parts are there in total? How many parts we divided this circle into? Total parts are 4. So total को ही हम क्या कहेंगे यहाँ पे? Total को हम कहेंगे whole. Okay, total को ही हम क्या कहेंगे? Total को ही हम कहेंगे whole. So total in all, how many parts are there in this? There are 4 parts in this. Okay, and if I have to represent, अगर मुझे क्या represent करना है? If I have to represent the shaded part, अगर मुझे क्या represent करना है? If I have to tell the shaded part, so how many shaded parts are there? There is just one shaded part. कितने shaded part हुए यहाँ पे? There is just one shaded part. कितने में से 1 किसका? 1 out of 100, 1 out of 50, 1 out of 25. किस में से 1 part है? Out of 4 1 part is shaded. तो हम क्या कहेंगे? What part is shaded? 1/4 part is shaded. हम क्या कहेंगे? 1/4 part is shaded. So what is 1 here? 1 here is representing part. What is 1 representing? 1 is representing a part or a shaded part. 4 क्या represent कर रहा है? 4 is representing a whole. So you can have a look what we are saying. We are saying fraction is a part of a whole. मतलब whole, total 4 holes में से total 4 parts जो मिलके whole बना रहे थे. From then when we are representing one particular part, that will be called as fraction. इसको हम क्या कहेंगे? We are going to call it a fraction. So whenever someone says what is a fraction, we will say Fraction is nothing but it is a part of a whole. Okay, so here we got a fraction. What was the fraction? The fraction was 1 by 4. Okay, so we have 1. What is 1 here? 1 को हम कहते हैं numerator. What is 1? 1 is a numerator. What is the meaning of numerator? Simply the number above the fraction bar. Numerator क्या होता है? What is a numerator? The number above the fraction bar. ऐसा number जो किसके ऊपर present है? Which is present above the fraction bar. Such a number is referred to as what? It is called numerator. This line is there. This line is called fraction bar. This line को हम क्या कहते हैं? This line is called as fraction bar. And at last we have denominator. What do we have in end? In the end we have denominator. Okay, so what is denominator? Denominator is the number below the fraction bar. Denominator क्या होता है? Denominator is the number below the fraction part. So how many components are there in a fraction? एक fraction कितनी चीजों से मिलके बना होता है? A fraction is made up of 3 things. The first one is numerator. Numerator is a number above the fraction bar. The second one is the fraction bar itself, and the third part we have is denominator. Okay, so this was like the basic of fraction. तो अभी तक हमने जितना भी discuss किया, what we are going to do is we will solve the questions based on this. Okay, ज़्यादा तो अभी हमने discuss नहीं किया, but whatever we have discussed, जिससे जितने भी questions बनेंगे, we are going to solve all those questions. Okay. Yes, denominator is always present below the fraction. Correct. Okay, everyone. So first question we have is the fraction representing the shaded portion is. Okay. So we have a question. In the question you have to tell which fraction represents the shaded portion. Which fraction represents the shaded portion? Okay, the fraction representing the shaded portion is. Quickly provide your answer. So here the question number 1, ये हमारा fraction है. What is the shaded portion? This is the shaded portion. So what will be the fraction here? Fraction क्या होगा? Which fraction is representing the shaded portion? 1 by 4. Correct. First answer is given by Namita. Kanishka is also correct. Harshita is also correct. Total parts. How many total parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So total parts क्या होते हैं? Total parts always form the denominator. Total parts क्या बनाते हैं? Total parts always form the denominator. How many parts are shaded? Just one part is shaded. So what will be the fraction? Fraction क्या बनेगा यहाँ पे? Fraction will be 1 by 4. What will be the correct answer? Right answer we will have for the question is option A, 1 by 4. Good. Similar one, we have the next question. The fraction representing the shaded region. Once again, you have a circular structure and आपको बताना है what fraction here represents the shaded portion. इनमें से कौन सा fraction क्या represent करेगा? Which fraction is representing the shaded portion? Okay, go ahead, solve it here. This is the shaded portion. 1 by 2. Okay, first answer is given by Harshita. Good. Then we have Kavya. That's correct, Kavya. 1 by 2 is correct. Namita is also correct. Kanishka is also correct. Good, everyone. So, how many parts are there in total? 1 and 2. इनमें से कौन सा fraction होगा? 1 by 2. What will be the correct answer for question? Right answer we will have is 1 by 2. The next question, the fraction representing the shaded portion. Okay, so here also you have a figure. उस figure में क्या present है? In the figure we have certain shaded portion. So we have to tell what fraction represents the shaded portion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these 3 portions, ये तीनों ही क्या है? These 3 portions, they are the shaded region. These 3 portions are shaded region. What will be the fraction? 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 3 by 4 or none of these? 3 by 4. Correctly said. Good Namita, good Harshita, good Kanishka. Why 1/4 काव्या? शेडेड पोर्शन बताना है ना हमको, which fraction represents the shaded portion. तो shaded portion क्या होगा? First we will find the total. Total कितने हैं? Total is 4. Shaded is how much? 1, 2 and 3. 3/4. What one is the shaded? Shaded is 3/4. So correct answer we will get for the question is 3/4. Okay. The next question, that's over here. Once again you have to tell the shaded portion. आपको बताना है कि इसमें से shaded portion कितना होगा. So total parts, if we will have a look in this figure, there are 6 and this one, this is the shaded portion. This part that you see, this part is the shaded one. Okay, the first answer is given by Kavya, that is option D. Harshita, 1/6. Have a look at options, Harshita. क्या options में 1/6 given है? Have a look at options. We have to give the answer from options. Okay, is options contain 1/6? Same goes with Namita. Have a look, Namita. Is there 1/6 in the options? Correct, Harshita. Correct, Kanishka. Correct, Kavya. So total how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total we have 6 parts. How much is shaded? 1 is shaded. So fraction क्या होगा? Fraction will be 1/6. But if you will have a look, in none of the options 1/6 is given. किसी भी option में हमको 1/6 given नहीं है. So correct answer क्या होगा? The right answer will be option D, none of these. What will be the correct answer? Right answer we'll get for the question is option D, none of these. Okay. The next question, once again we have with fraction. The fraction representing the shaded portion is. The fraction representing the shaded portion is. Now this time you have a proper answer. Okay. This is the shaded part. Which fraction represents the shaded portion? Okay, so this time Kavya has given the answer 1/6. Namita is also saying D. Bhavya is also saying D. Correct, Harshita. So total how many parts are there? Total हमारे पास कितने parts हैं? Correct, Namita. Total we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total we have 6 parts. One part is shaded. So what will be the correct answer? Right answer will be option D, 1/6. 1/6 will be the correct answer. Okay, so now we are going to start ahead with a basic, जो हमारे बहुत ही primitive basic kind of word problems होते हैं fractions में. We will start with them. Okay, so the question number 6 says fraction of ₹1 is 50 paise. What is the question saying? Question is saying what fraction of 1 rupee is 50 paise. The question का मतलब हुआ कि 1 रुपए का कितना fraction, कितना part 1 rupees का 50 paise होगा. So here have a look. What is given over here? 1 rupee. Okay, so 1 rupee. 1 rupee has how many paise? 1 rupee has 100 paise. 1 rupee में कितने पैसे होते हैं? 1 rupee has 100 paise. Okay, so we have to find the fraction. तो सबसे पहले हम fraction convert करेंगे. What is 1 rupee? 1 rupee is whole. What is 50 paise? 50 paise is part. Fraction हमेशा क्या होता है? Fraction we have to keep in mind. Fraction is part upon whole. What is fraction? Fraction क्या होता है? Fraction is part upon whole. What is part here? 50 paise. What is whole? 100 paise. So what it will become? 1/2. Okay, तो correct answer क्या होगा question के लिए? What will be the right fraction? Right fraction will be option A, 1/2. Correct. Correct, Kanishka. Namita is also right here. Good, Harshita. Good, Kavya. Bhavya, why you are not giving the answers? सभी के answers यहाँ पे correct है. What will be the right answer? Option A, 1/2 will be the right answer. Good, everyone. Next question. What fraction of 1 rupee is 25 paise? 1 rupees का कौन सा part, कौन सा fraction 1 rupees का fraction 25 पैसे के साथ क्या बनेगा? What fraction of 1 rupee is 25 paise? Get started. Provide your answer. What fraction of 1 rupee is 25 paise? What fraction of 1 rupee is 25 paise? The same story. 1 rupee कितना होता है? 1 rupee is equals to 100 paise. 1 rupee is how many paise? 1 rupee is how many paise? 1 rupee is 100 paise. हमको fraction किसका find करना है? For 25 paise. Fraction का formula होता है part upon whole. What is part here? Part is 25 paise. Whole क्या हुआ? 1 rupee. 1 rupee is 100 paise. So fraction will become how much? Fraction will become 1/4. What will the fraction become? Fraction will become 1/4. Correct. Very good. Okay, so correct Namita, correct Kanishka, correct Kavya. Good. What will be the right answer? Harshita is also correct here. Option B, 1 by 4 is the correct answer. Very good. Okay, the next question, question number 8. What fraction of an hour is 30 minutes? What fraction of an hour is 30 minutes? 30 minutes, 1 hour का कितना fraction होता है? What fraction of an hour is 30 minutes? Okay, so 1 hour. N hour means 1 hour. So 1 hour has how many minutes? 1 hour has a total of 60 minutes. 1 hour में कितने minutes present होते हैं? 1 hour has 60 minutes. So what fraction of an hour is 30 minutes? 30 minutes कितना होगा? So once again, what is fraction? Fraction is part upon whole. What is fraction? Fraction is part upon whole. Part कितना है हमारा? 30 and whole कितना हुआ? 60. 0 and 0 got cancelled. 3 upon 6. 3 upon 6 is 1 by 2. So what is the right answer for question? Correct answer क्या होगा यहाँ पे? Option B, 1 by 2. What fraction of an hour is this? 1 by 2 is the correct answer. Good, Shagun. Okay, B is the right answer. 1 by 2. Next is the question number 11. No, not 11. Question number 9. What fraction of a day is 12 hours? Question number 9. What fraction of a day is 12 hours? What fraction of a day is 12 hours? One by 2. Good. 1 day. We are talking about 1 day. 1 day has how many hours? 1 day has 24 hours. 1 day में कितने घंटे होते हैं? 1 day has a total of 24 hours. Once again, we have to create fraction. Fraction क्या होगा? Fraction will be part upon whole. Part is 12. Whole is 24. 12 ones are 12. 12 2 times is 24. So what will be the correct answer for question? इसके लिए right answer क्या होगा? 1 by 2 will be the correct answer. What will be the correct answer? 1 by 2 will be the correct answer. Option A correct, Harshita, Kanishka. Good. 1 by 2 will be the correct answer. Correct, Shagun. The next question. Now, next question deals with proper fraction. The question is saying, which of the following is a proper fraction? Question क्या कह रहा है? Question is saying, which of the following is a proper fraction? Now, before getting into the question, हमको ये पता होना चाहिए that what is the meaning of a proper fraction when we are using the term proper fraction. So, what is the meaning of proper fraction? Proper fraction का मतलब क्या होता है? So, all of us should know proper fraction is such a fraction in which denominator is greater than numerator. Proper fraction में क्या होता है? Denominator is greater and numerator is smaller. ऐसा fraction जिसमें denominator is greater and the numerator is smaller, such a fraction is referred to as proper fraction. On the other hand, there is one more fraction that is known by the name of improper fraction. एक और fraction होता है हमारे पास जिसको हम क्या कहते हैं? We call it improper fraction. So what is improper fraction? Improper fraction is just the opposite. Improper fraction क्या होता है? Improper fraction is just the opposite. So improper fraction में denominator is smaller. Okay, in improper fraction, what happens in improper fraction? Denominator is smaller and the numerator क्या होता है? Numerator is greater. Okay, numerator is greater over here. So proper fraction, numerator should be smaller, denominator should be greater. We have just one option, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 mein numerator is 1, that is smaller, and denominator is 2, that is contrastingly greater. So what is going to be the right answer for question? 1 by 2. Improper fractions are the one, correctly said Kanishka, they are the ones in which denominator is smaller than the numerator. Correct. Okay. The next question, question number 11. Which of the following is a proper fraction? Once again, a similar kind of questions. Which of the following is a proper fraction? इनमें से क्या एक proper fraction है? 2 by 12, 5 by 2, 7 by 4 or 11 by 3. Which of the following is a proper fraction? 2 by 12, 5 by 2, 7 by 4 or 11 by 3. Provide your answers, everyone. 2 by 12. Good. Proper fraction means denominator greater, numerator is smaller. Right answer will be option A. 2 by 12 is a proper fraction. Good. The next question. Which of the following is a proper fraction whose numerator is 1 and denominator is 3? Which of the following is a proper fraction whose numerator is 1 and denominator is 3? इनमें से क्या एक proper fraction होगा जिसका numerator 1 है and denominator क्या है? What is the denominator value? The denominator value is 3. Okay. So numerator is 1, denominator is 3. So what will the fraction become? Fraction क्या बनेगा? Fraction will become 1 by 3. What will be the value of fraction? Fraction की value क्या बनेगी? 1 by 3. Correctly answered Harshita. Shagun, correct Namita. What will be the right answer for question? The correct answer we will have is option A, 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is the right answer. Very good. The next question. Question number 13. Which of the following is an improper fraction? The next question. Which of the following is an improper fraction? 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5 or 5 by 4? Which of these is a improper fraction? इनमें से क्या एक improper fraction है? Three by 4. Why 3 by? Yes. बेटा improper. Okay. Question is asking for improper. Improper fraction में क्या होता है? In improper fraction, denominator is smaller, numerator is greater. So have a look here. 2 by 3 is proper, 3 by 4 is proper, 4 by 5 is proper, 5 by 4. What is improper fraction here? Improper fraction क्या है? 5 by 4 is improper. Okay. So what is the correct answer? 5 by 4. Shagun, 3 by 4 will not be answer. 3 by 4 is the proper fraction. 3 by 4 तो proper fraction का example हुआ. Right answer will be option D, 5 by 4. Okay. The next question, question number 14. Which of the following is a improper fraction? Which of the following is a improper fraction? इनमें से क्या एक improper fraction है? Which of the following is an improper fraction? 1 by 4, 3 by 8, 11 by 3 or 2 by 5? Improper. Improper means smaller denominator, greater numerator. What will be the answer? So 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is proper. 3 by 8 is proper. 2 by 5 is also proper. Improper के लिए we just have one answer. That is 11 by 3. What is the improper fraction here? Improper fraction कौन सा है? 11 by 3. Correct Shagun? Correct Namita? Correct Vishal? Okay, so what is going to be the right answer here? 11 by 3 is the correct answer. Okay, so this we have to keep in mind. Okay. The next question is express 5 by 2 as a mixed fraction. हमको क्या करना है? We have to express 5 by 2 as a mixed fraction. Now before getting into what is the mixed fraction, mixed fractions क्या होते हैं? The fractions which contain a whole number as well as fraction part. What are mixed fractions? Mixed fractions. What are mixed fractions? Mixed fractions are the fractions which contain whole number plus fraction part. Okay, such a fraction which has a whole number also, which has a fraction part also, we call such a fraction mixed fraction. Like 4 1 by 2. 4 1 by 2 में what is 4? 4 is a whole number. 4 क्या है? 4 is a whole number. What is 1 by 2? 1 by 2 is a fraction part. What is 1 by 2? 1 by 2 is a fraction part. तो ऐसे fraction को हम क्या कहते हैं? We call it mixed fraction. Correctly said Shagun. We'll have to divide. हमको क्या करना होगा यहाँ पे? We have to divide. So we have to convert 5 by 2 into mixed fraction. So before this, what is the meaning of 5 by 2? जब हम कह रहे हैं 5 by 2, 5 upon 2, इसका मतलब क्या होता है? इसका मतलब होता है 5 is divided by 2. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? It means 5 is divided by 2. तो 5 को हम किससे divide करेंगे? We'll divide 5 by 2. 2 times is 4. 1 carried. 1 is remainder. तो fraction क्या बनेगा? Fraction will become 2 1 by 2. What will the fraction become? Fraction will become 2 1 by 2. Correct. Okay. So what will be the right answer for question? The correct answer will be 2 1/2. Understood everyone? Okay. So in today's class, आज के क्लास में primarily हमने क्या क्या चीज़ों पे focus किया? In today's class, we mainly focused on and we mainly learned about fraction. We learned about proper and improper fraction. हमने proper fraction के बारे में पढ़ा, हमने improper fraction के बारे में पढ़ा. Now in tomorrow's class, what we are going to do? We are going to learn about mixed fraction. We are going to learn about conversion of mixed to improper, improper to mixed, and we are also going to learn about like and unlike fractions. तो इतनी चीजों के बारे में हम पढ़ेंगे in tomorrow's class. Okay everyone? So this class we will sum up now, and once again कल की भी जो class है that will start at 8:15. 8:15 से class start होके it will sum up somewhere around 8:45. 8:45 तक class start करेगी 20 minutes की. So yes, okay. So this class you know, okay. So we are going to learn it with the help of questions only. Okay, Shagun. So theoretical part would be less, application based question learning हम ज़्यादा करेंगे. Okay. Okay, Kanishka. It's okay. Good night, Namita. Good night, Kavya. Okay, so this class everyone, we will sum up now. Once again, we'll meet in tomorrow's class with mixed fraction, conversion of fraction, like and unlike fraction. तो आज का session हम यहीं पे sum up करेंगे and we'll meet again tomorrow. So till then everyone, keep studying, keep learning and साथ ही साथ में GK का revision करते जाइए because the number of days are very less. Okay, you just have RMS exam in December. So there are really very few days left. तो हमको उसको पूरा अच्छे से utilize करना है. Okay, so we will sum up the session everyone now. Bye everyone. Good night.